In this video clip, I'll be showing you step 1 for painting our ceiling. Before we get started painting our ceiling, we first need to remove anything that is on the ceiling. This includes our ventilation fan grill, in addition to some hooks that were left from the old light fixture. The next thing we need to do is go ahead and fill those holes . Now you want to leave a little bit of texture since we do have a textured ceiling. Once we paint over that, you won't even notice it's there. The last thing that we need to do is wipe off any dust or cobwebs because we don't want those to get into the ceiling paint when we're painting.